Alright guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. We're back again, finally. Sorry it's been so long. Been ordering parts, been waiting on them to come in. But yeah, it's time. It's officially here. Told y'all I was gonna Kraftwerks this one, and it's here. Just picked up the box. Haven't opened it yet. I've been doing some other stuff here. So I'll just give you guys a rundown of what I've done so far. Started tearing this apart this morning. Everything's ready to go for the Kraftwerks. Got the manifold off, fuel rail, coolant hose, pulley. You gotta take this pulley off over here. That's gone. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all there is to it. You know, all your, regular lines and stuff. But yeah, she's ready for the Kraftwerks. Also just bought some new headlights. Almost the same as what I had before. These are the old ones right here. They have like the amber tint on the side. And these have the clear. I think they look a lot cleaner. But yeah, just a little update since my last video. Did put in the hybrid racing short shifter and shift knob. I've had this on for about a month or two now. I just haven't made a video on it yet. I had it on before, I did my exhaust and everything, but this exhaust is just amazing. I don't have any power for the car right now. Let's turn the light on. But yeah, it's super simple. You have 3 bolts. There's one up top and then 2 down at the bottom that you unbolt off of the stock shift knob and shifter, and 2 cables on both sides. Literally, if you just take a pair of vice grips and clamp it on and twist it, they come out really easy. I put mine in maybe 25-30 minutes, so there's nothing to it. And went with the gunmetal shift knob. I think it looks great. Just goes with the rest of the car. I was gonna do carbon fiber and all this, but it sort of matches. The shift knob matches this. I do have to get a new one of these. These are known for going to crap. They're junk. But anyway, yeah, main focus for today is getting the Kraftwerks on. Probably not going to finish it tonight. I've been at this since 8 o'clock this morning. Literally, I tore everything apart in an hour and a half, 2 hours. Didn't take that long. It's easier to take off than it is to put on. But also, I'll show you guys what else I got. You can see the hybrid racer. A second. I just got this in the mail today, along with the Kraftwerks. One second. Figured while I was doing the Kraftwerks, and I am going to be running ethanol blend on the Civic. I'm going to give you all a bunch of stuff. And voila. we are going to be putting the hybrid racing fuel rail on. Looked at a lot of reviews on these. I mean, these things they're top notch, and I've heard that the K-Tune fuel rail does not fit on the Kraftwerks kit because of the bracket the blower sits on. It hits and won't allow it to mount up. So yeah, we got that, and then open this box here. And we also have the hybrid racing fuel rail gauge that we're going to be mounting on. You do have to buy these separate if you don't want the combo set. I think you get the gauge, the rail, and new fuel lines with it. I think it's an extra $150 more if you want the combo set. But I just decided to go with this for now. The car is not ready to go ethanol. That is the plan later on down the road. Still trying to figure out everything that I'm going to need to be able to run ethanol. I did buy a fuel pump, and I'm going to tell you, if you guys decide to do this, it is a pain in the ass. Right now, it's already in. I took out the whole assembly, put the new fuel pump in, and now I'm having trouble getting this back on because it just wants to cross thread. I've been messing with that for the past 2 hours, and I can't get it. So I'm going to tackle that later. Right now, I'm just going to worry about getting to work on this supercharger, and I'll worry about that later. But I'm not going to do like a time lapse or anything like that. I'm kind of pushed on time right now, but I'm not going to do an unboxing for the Kraftwerks. Basically all it is front mount, oil cooler, intake manifold, blower, bracket, all your hardware, hoses, that sort of thing, intake piping. But I'll do updates as I go and show you guys the progress that I'm making, and hopefully I can get this done. I've done it before. It's not hard. I got all the coolant and all that stuff already drained and everything, so I'm going to get this stuff unboxed and start cranking this thing out. So yeah, guys, just stay tuned.